New at 6, a number of combat veterans and other Americans suffer from PTSD. An estimated 22 veterans take their own lives each day because of it. Now some mental health relief may come in the form of MDMA. The New York Times is reporting that the FDA has approved a clinical trial of the party drug that's known as ecstasy to help alleviate some symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder. Fox 10's Kristy Siefkin is live now with more. Kristy, this is kind of controversial.
It certainly is, Mark. Just like using marijuana to treat medical conditions, everybody doesn't agree with it, and this is yet another example of a substance that people have perhaps used recreationally, and now it's being considered for medical care. In fact, the FDA is running a large-scale clinical trial testing the benefits of MDMA to treat PTSD. This will be the third and final stage of the trial, and if the trial is successful, it could turn ecstasy, MDMA, into a regulated prescription drug.
When you hear the words ecstasy or Molly, you might think of illicit drugs at a raging party. But now the FDA is testing the drug, formerly known as MDMA, as a prescription treatment for PTSD.
I know several people who have done MDMA-based therapy for severe post-traumatic stress disorder after trying everything else, including standard psychotherapies and all the standard psychiatric medications for anxiety, and they say MDMA is really the only thing that works.
Dr. Lincoln Bickford is a psychiatrist at Future Forward Wellness in Phoenix. He says that PTSD patients often suppress traumatic memories, and MDMA can help them work through their past.
MDMA biochemically works a little bit like antidepressants like Prozac and a little bit like amphetamines like Adderall. But the mix of it seems to induce a state where people are relatively free of fear and anxiety.
Bickford says that if MDMA does become a prescription drug, it probably won't be a daily pill.
If I were to be practicing this, I would have the patient take the pill at the clinic and wait until the effects started in an hour or so, and then spend an hour or two or three talking with them until it starts to wear off, and probably have a friend or family member bring them home.
This kind of treatment minimizes abuse, presenting a safer alternative to many who self-medicate.
If the FDA approves it, the clinicians will be able to use a pharmaceutically manufactured pure substance instead of taking risks by procuring on the black market.
One veteran who I spoke to with PTSD earlier, he didn't want to appear on camera, but he did want to express his concern over this clinical trial. He feels that vets with PTSD have been used as test cases in the past by the FDA, and says that we need to be very cautious when treating the veteran population with new medications. I'm Kristy Siefkin, Fox 10 News.